at Galveston State Park. Do a little saltwater fishing. Let's see what we can get. Last time I was out here, I got a couple reds, and a couple flatties, a couple flounders. There's a couple people out there waiting already in the spot I like to go to, so obviously it might be a fun day. So we're out here. Right there is where I'm gonna wait. Right there, I'm gonna work my way around the cove, and let's see what we can get. What's up, man? Any luck, bro? Yeah. Usually when I come out here, I start on that beach right there, and I work my way around just to see everything. But the winds are coming behind me, so if I go over there, I'll be throwing against the wind. Throwing it down south. Plum juice. Usually works for me out here. I kind of got it rigged up wrong, you can see that. But I'm just riding it on the bottom, so it really don't matter. Usually if you was fishing something else, this thing's just gonna helicopter like that in the water. So I'm mostly sticking to the ground, so I just want that little tail to flip. It don't matter. So stay on the bottom. So 1/8 ounce, 1/4 ounce, one of those. My go-to spot is around that pole right there. A lot of head shakes. Maybe a cat, I don't know. Hopefully it's red. Sorry, I didn't have my camera on. Oh, that's red right there, fellas. That's it. Hey. Pooped on me. Oh yeah. Right at 20. Right at 20, y'all. Get you on the stinger and get you back in the water. Plum juice with the chartreuse head, 1/8 ounce, Strike King, with a little bit of Pro Cure on there, just a little bit. Glossy rope.